Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream at home without using heavy cream. We'll focus on simple ingredients you likely have. First, gather your whole milk, sugar, and a thickening agent like cornstarch or egg yolks. These will give your ice cream that creamy texture we all love. Let's get started on this easy guide. Now, let's prepare the base. In a saucepan, combine your whole milk, sugar, and either 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or 2 egg yolks. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously. It should thicken slightly, coating the back of a spoon. Once it reaches this consistency, remove it from the heat and stir in your desired flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The next crucial step is chilling. Transfer your flavored base to a clean container and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. This ensures it's very cold. Once thoroughly chilled, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. This process incorporates air, making it light. After churning, your ice cream will be soft. Transfer it to an airtight, freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up completely. Once it's reached your desired hardness, it's ready to scoop and enjoy. This homemade, no-cream ice cream is a delightful treat, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.